I'm suing Geico, and you gotta hear why. I represent a woman who was seriously injured in a car crash. Everyone in the crash, this is a 4-car crash, everyone in the crash says that my client was at fault because she drifted across the highway and caused a head-on collision with 3 other vehicles. She denies responsibility. She claims that she was struck in the rear by a pickup truck that came up behind her as she was preparing to make a right. But we can't find the driver of the other vehicle because he or she fled the scene. So we don't know exactly what kind of car hit her other than a pickup truck, and we don't know who was driving that truck. So how does she have a claim at all? If she was in fact hit in the rear, she qualifies for an uninsured motorist claim through her own car insurance. Here, Geico insured her vehicle. And if she can prove that some other vehicle caused that crash, but then subsequently fled the scene, she gets the coverage and she gets paid. So what do we have to do? We have to prove that there was contact between her car and this other vehicle, the Ghost. How do we do that? Well, I have circumstantial evidence. Now, sometimes circumstantial evidence is weak, but sometimes circumstantial evidence can be stronger than actual evidence. What do I have? I have her testimony. She's a lovely, credible person, works very hard, has no criminal history, and really has no reason to lie because she's been fully insured for all of her economic losses. She recalls that this truck came up behind her. Now, she did lose consciousness in the crash, but she remembers that much. We do have impact or damage to the rear of the vehicle, and we have multiple witnesses that do put a vehicle immediately behind my client's vehicle before she started to veer across the road. Finally, I have a picture taken at the scene of a pickup truck with a trailer parked at the scene, yet we don't have the identity of this person, or otherwise we wouldn't be going after Geico. But I think I have enough circumstantial evidence to prove to a jury that there was contact. You also have to remember that the dynamics of this trial are probably in the plaintiff's favor, to the extent that it's a human being against a rich insurance company, here Geico. That's my uninsured motorist claim against Geico. Wish me luck.